experience if we can. So one of the things that we look to do is find something different and entertaining for them that also revolves around food.
Chef Kerry about to show them how to make an apple pie, and I will just give them some tips.
It's reasonably priced. You get an evening out, you get to sit in a beautiful setting, you learn something new, and you get to have a great 3-course meal at the end of the class.